Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe at your home. Now in previous video we start our lesson number 19, If I Were You, and I summarize the play to you. Then there is a story of Mr. Garrett and Intruder, where how the Garrett manages to lock the intruder in a cupboard and call his friend to send the sergeant to arrest the intruder, and how the intruder failed in his plans. So today we are doing the exercise of that lesson. Students, we start with exercise from vocabulary. Make sentences with each of the following so as to bring out its meaning. गिवन वर्ड्स के आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं जिससे उनकी मीनिंग्स जो है वो पता चले. Now the first one is interior. Interior, the sentence is, I don't like the interior of her house. Second, the word is crawl. The snake crawls. To get away with. The girl got away with my purse. Let you down. I don't want to let you down on this issue. Clear off. She has cleared off my money. Intruder. We should beware of intruders. Use the following expressions in a conversation. As you see, students, this play is in the conversation expressions, so you have to use all these expressions in a conversation. Like Sita said, I am going to market. Will you accompany me? Now Radha said, well, when will you return? Sita, at least after 2 hours. Radha, thanks a lot. I can spare that much time with you. Sita, by the way, you should also take your sister with you. Radha, of course. I would have taken her, but she will not come with me. Sita, okay, we two will go then. Radha, come on, let's start. I shall tell you an interesting incident in the way. Sita, I am listening to you attentively. So students, that type of conversation you have to make with these expressions. Now next, go to the comprehension. Question number first is, what did Garrett tell the intruder about his life? Answer, Garrett told the intruder that he was a lonely man. Very few people visited him. He was wanted by the police for one murder. Second, who were the people that used to visit Garrett? Answer, the people who used to visit Garrett were the baker and the greengrocer and the milkman. Question number third, why did the intruder go into Garrett's house? Answer, the intruder went into Garrett's house because he wanted to escape from the police. He had murdered a cop. Now the police was after him. Besides, Garrett looked like the intruder and lived alone in the cottage. Question number 4. Why was the intruder dodging the police? The intruder was dodging the police to escape from the capital punishment for a murder and robbery of jewelry. Question number 5. Why did the intruder want to kill Garrett and take on his identity? Answer, the intruder wanted to kill Garrett and take on his identity because then he would be able to escape from the grip of the police. Then he would be free to move and eat as he would like. Question number 6. Why did the intruder call Garrett a mystery man? Answer, the intruder called Garrett a mystery man because his behavior was very strange. He lived all alone. He used to meet very few people. His movements were also sudden. Question number 7. On what ground did the intruder say that hearing about Garrett was one of his luckiest breaks? Answer. Garrett looked like the intruder. He used to move in and out of the cottage suddenly. He had a car. The intruder was searching for such a man, so hearing about Garrett was one of his luckiest breaks. What did Garrett's bag contain? Garrett's bag contained makeup material, false mustaches and other dramatic requirements. Question 9. What was Garrett's profession? Garrett was a playwright by profession. So students, here we complete our 25 words answer. So you have to write it in your notebook.